Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to do exercise 3.3. But before starting that one exercise, I will explain you divisibility rule by 4, 6 and 8. As I told you in the previous video that in divisibility by 4 we check last two numbers should be divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4 means in that you have to check last two digits should be 0 or it should be divisible by 4. For example, if I take this number 160, in this 60 is divisible by 4 now. So if 60 is divisible by 4, it means 160 is also divisible by 4. Clear? We will not divide the full number, we will use two digits. Clear? In divisibility by 6, I said the number should be even or it should be divisible by 3. Clear? And in divisibility by 8, if the number is 4160, what I do? I will divide last three number. 160 is divisible by 8. Divide it. When you divide it, it will be completely divisible. If it is completely divisible, then it means 4160 is also divisible by 8. Clear? On the behalf of this rules, students, we do exercise 3.3 question number 2. So let's start with it. Question number 2 I will do half part and half part you have to do by yourself. So you have to write in the copy exercise 3.3 question number 2 using --8. You have to check the divisibility of every number by 4 and 8. Firstly we do by 4. In 4 what we do? We divide last two number. 572 is written, so last number is 72. What you have to do is divide 72 by 4. You can divide in a rough column also. When you divide it, your answer come 18 and remainder is 0. Now remainder is coming 0. It means 72 is divisible by 4. If 72 is divisible by 4, it means 572 is also divisible by 4. Clear? In 8, what I have to do? I have to divide last three number. Students, when I divide last three number 572, if I divide it by 8, answer come 12 8. Answer come 71, but remainder left. So if remainder left, it means it is not divisible by 8. So you write 572 is not divisible by 8. Today I do C part for you. In C part, number is written 5500 by 4. What I have to check, last two digits are 00. If last two digits are 00, so the number is divisible by 4. Because I told na, in divisibility rule of 4, last number should be 00 or it should be divisible by 4. Now here it is both are 00. So 5500 is divisible by 4. In 8, we have to divide last three number by 8. Students, when you divide 500 by 8, 8 6 are 48. Then 10 minus 8, 20. Again remainder left, so it means it is not divisible by 8. Clear? So we write 55 is not, here also come not, is not divisible by 8. Clear? Now we do E part. E part is 1 to 159. Here in 4, what we have to check? Last two number. So last two number is a odd number. As you know, 59 does not come in 4 table. So you write 59 is not divisible by 4. So full number 1 to 159 is also not divisible by 4. In 8 also, because 159 does not come in 8 table. It is a odd, one is a even number. So in a even number, odd number does not come. Clear? So you write 159 is not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 8. What is it here? It is 12159. Clear? Now we do after E G part, because F part you have to do 21084 by 4. I will check last two number, that is 84. 84 comes in 4 table at 21. without leaving any remainder. So 21084 is divisible by 4. Now in 8 what I have to do? Last 3 number I have to divide. But if I divide 84 by 8, it is not divisible. So this number is not divisible by 8. Now after G part I do I part. It is written 1700 by 4. Last digit is 00, so it is divisible. But in 8 I have to divide last 3 numbers by 8. So when you divide it, it is not divisible by 8. Clear? After this, student, we do question number 3. In question number 3, you have to use the divisibility test and determine which of the following number are divisible by 6. In 6, you have to check the divisibility by 2 also and by 3 also. So firstly, I do A part. In A part, I will write by 2. Digit on ones place is even, so it is divisible. Clear? By 3, add them. Answer is 27. 27 come in 3 tables, so you write it is divisible by 3. In both the cases, answer is coming yes, so you write this number is divisible by 6 also. Now after A, I do C, then E, then G, and then I. So now C part. By 2. Digit at ones place is not even, so you write it is not divisible by 2. By 3, what you have to do? 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. So when you add it, answer come 15. 15 comes in 3 tables, so 4, 3, 3, 5 is divisible by 3. Now see, 1 is not, 1 is yes. So no or yes make not. So you write 4, 3, 3, 5 is not divisible by 6. Now we do E part. By 2, digit on one place is even, so it is divisible. By 3, what do you have to do? Add them. When you add, answer come 20. 20 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. Now in this case also not is coming yes, or here come no, so answer will be not only. In both the case, answer should be yes. If both case answer is yes, then you say yes only. Clear? Now after this, we do G part. In G part by 2, what you have to check? Last digit. It is even, so number is divisible. By 3, what you have to do? Add them. When you add it, answer comes 30. So 30 is divisible by 3. Now in both the cases, answer is coming yes, so it is divisible by 6. Clear? By 2, in 639210, last number is 0, which is a even number, so this number is divisible by 2. And by 3, what do you have to do? You have to add them. When you add, answer come 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible. So in both the cases, answer come yes, so you say answer is yes, this number is divisible by 6. Clear, students? So I hope you understand how to do question number 2 and 3. And you students, you have to complete the rest of the parts of question 2 and 3 by your own. Clear? Thank you and have a nice